All right, good evening, everybody. David Paul with you here in the KHOU Weather Center. It's 8 o'clock. It is Tuesday evening. Wanted to step in and just give you a radar update. We are going deeper into the evening with thunderstorms. Some are weakening, some are redeveloping in Harris County. So let's just walk through what's going on and walk through how the rest of the evening is going to play out. And I think there will be many places that see a strong thunderstorm the next hour or two. Here's the radar right now, and you can see the thunderstorm cluster that was up toward Cleveland, Livingston, Lake Livingston earlier. It's weakening, but it has sent an outflow boundary south, that's pushing into downtown right now, and it is kicking off thunderstorms over downtown right now, and those look to be expanding in their coverage. So let's just do a radar tour and set your bearings on what's going on. Heavy rain. This is the northeast side of the 99 connector all the way to Mont Bellevue. So Eastgate, Inwood Forest, here's Lake Houston. So folks in Humble, Kingwood, Roman Forest, getting lightning and thunder and rain that's heavy at times. You can see how this is all just kind of working its way to the south and southeast. That motion has been with us for the past hour or so. North side of Lake Houston, Kingwood Drive, now getting in on a strong thunderstorm. None of this is severe, but it is producing a lot of cloud to ground lightning and some heavy rain. So that's the northeast side. To the northwest, Montgomery County, these thunder showers flared up and are now settling back down all over the past hour. So keeping an eye on that, but it appears there is, what happened is that some outflow came through, lifted it. Now that outflow is pushing south, pushing into northwest Harris County, where we may see redevelopment of thunder showers over the next hour or so. Closer to downtown, these are strong thunderstorms. Clinton Drive, east side, from about Edo, from the soccer stadium, from Minute Maid, from Daikin, east to Clinton Drive, and then further east all the way out toward the east side of the 610 Loop and the Ship Channel. Heavy rain and thunderstorms are developing here. Baytown getting a thunderstorm, Mont Bellevue, heavy thunderstorm just to your west. But what I want to point out is, you see that, watch this outflow boundary. That little line right there, the outflow boundary is right here. It starts here. You can see it. It's so that is a surface wind gust. It acts like a miniature cold front. And what cold fronts, we often get thunderstorms with cold fronts, that outflow scoots along the surface and it acts like a speed bump. It lifts the atmosphere, and as it lifts it, it can produce more thunderstorms, and that's what happened right here. The outflow boundary went through Magnolia Gardens right on Highway 90. As it went through, whoosh, those thunderstorms fired up. So that outflow boundary is right here right now, and I think we are going to see new development over downtown and maybe back toward Memorial. This could produce thunderstorms Bel Air to Hobby Airport, Pasadena, as it pushes south over the next half hour or so. If it holds together, it continues to push south. We could see development across the south side down toward NRG and Brookside Village. So that's what's going on as that outflow boundary races to the south. And let's just zoom out. Yeah, the other thing of note is this little shower. You see this shower popping up here sort of out of nowhere? It's not out of nowhere. That is, if you squint, you can see it. I look at this all the time, but there's a little outflow boundary came in here to the west side. That's West Park Tollway, that's 99, there's Cinco Ranch. Little showers popping up. That one may become a thunderstorm in the next few minutes. So the outflow boundary is working its magic and keeping these thunderstorms going and growing as we head into the evening. Let me show you what the modeling says on this, and it's kind of picked up on this. This is what it thinks the radar would look like right now. Not bad. It has the thunderstorms a little further south than they are, but it does pick up on thunder showers even here at 8 o'clock. And we were wondering if we were going to get these going deeper into the evening, and that's exactly what's happening with this outflow boundary pushing through. So we're going to see rain and thunder showers in many parts of the area. This will be pushing south over the next several hours. I think this is probably a really good depiction of what things will look like at 9 o'clock. At 9 p.m., we'll have this cluster of storms here south of downtown, pushing into the coastal counties across the bay. So, neighborhoods along the bay, Clear Lake, NASA, League City, San Leon, Dickinson, Texas City, all you guys, keep an eye. There could be some gusty wind with this as well as it pushes south across the area. So that's 8 o'clock, that's now. And again, I think it's a little ahead of itself. Modeling pushes that outflow boundary out into the Gulf by 9:30. I think it'll probably be more like Galveston area, Angleton by 9:30. So the modeling's a little bit ahead of what's actually happening, but it is saying that a lot of neighborhoods this evening are going to see a thunder shower between 9 and about 10 o'clock. After that, heading into midnight, we're done. So that'll be the end of the thunderstorms for this evening. And I'm not expecting severe, but I'm expecting lightning and thunder as we head through the evening hours here. By tomorrow morning, quiet. Let's take you through tomorrow. There will be a chance for a thunderstorm tomorrow. This model has just updated, and it is now, see these little showers here? We'll just connect the dots. So that's your sea breeze developing by noon. Exactly the setup we had today, hinting at it tomorrow. Sea breeze comes inland, lifts the atmosphere. I don't think it's as much coverage tomorrow, but there will be a handful of thunderstorms tomorrow going into the afternoon. This is 4:30. They'll be hit or miss, but where they come down, they could be heavy, brief heavy rain, lightning and thunder, that type of thing, before they settle down going into the evening. So that is where we stand. We'll look at Wednesday as a 20% chance for those afternoon thunderstorms to get you. High of 97, heat index 105 or so. That's where we stand right now. We do the tropical update at 9. We do it every night at 9. So in less than an hour, we'll give you another complete update on the radar here locally. We'll check out where the storms are, and you'll get your tropical update. So we'll see you at 9 o'clock for an update on all of this.